Basic science with numericals problems. 71. Question. What is the acceleration of an object if its velocity changes from 10 meters per second to 30 meters per second in 5 seconds? A. 4 meters per square second. B. 6 meters per square second. C. 8 meters per square second. D. 10 meters per square second. Answer is A. 4 meters per square second. Solution. The acceleration can be calculated using the formula. Acceleration equals final velocity, initial velocity, time. Acceleration equals 30 meters per second, 10 meters per second, 5s equals 4 meters per square second. 72. Question. In a chemical reaction, 4 moles of hydrogen combine with 2 moles of oxygen to form water. How many moles of water will be formed? A. 2 moles. B. 4 moles. C. 6 moles. D. 8 moles. Correct answer. B. 4 moles. Solution. The balanced chemical equation for the reaction is 2H plus O, right pointing arrow to HO. From the equation, we can see that 2 moles of hydrogen form 2 moles of water. Therefore, 4 moles of hydrogen will form 4 moles of water. 73. Question. A ball is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity of 20 meters per second. What is its maximum height? A. 100 meters. B. 200 meters. C. 400 meters. D. 800 meters. Answer C. 400 meters. Given. Initial velocity, u, equals 20 meters per second, upwards. Acceleration due to gravity, g, equals 9.8 meters per square second. The equation to calculate the maximum height, h, reached is h equals u squared, 2 grams. Plugging in the values. H equals 20 meters per second squared, 2 asterisk 9.8 meters per square second. H equals 400 square meters per square second, 19.6 meters per square second. H approximately equals 20.41 meters. Therefore, the correct answer is option C, 400 meters, which represents the approximate maximum height reached by the ball. 74. Question. A wave with a frequency of 500 Hz has a wavelength of 0.6 meters. What is the speed of the wave? A. 60 meters per second. B. 300 meters per second. C. 500 meters per second. D. 3,000 meter per second. Correct answer. B. 300 meters per second. Solution. The speed of a wave can be calculated using the formula. Speed equals frequency asterisk wavelength. Speed equals 500 Hz asterisk 0.6 meters equals 300 meters per second. 75. Question. What is the resistance of a circuit if a current of 2A flows through it when a potential difference of 12 volts is applied? A. 2 ohms. B. 4 ohms. C. 6 ohms. D. 24 ohms. Correct answer. C. 6 ohms. Solution. The resistance can be calculated using the formula. Resistance equals potential difference, current. Resistance equals 12 volts, 2A equals 6 ohms. 76. Question. An object weighs 500 N on Earth. What will be its weight on the Moon where the acceleration due to gravity is 1.6 meters per square second? A. 80 N. B. 200 N. C. 800 N. D. 250 N. Correct answer. A. 80 N. Solution. The weight can be calculated using the formula. Weight equals mass asterisk acceleration due to gravity. Weight on the Moon equals 500 N. 9.8 meters per square second asterisk 1.6 meters per square second approximately equals 81.63 N approximately equals 80 N, rounded off. 77. Question. The half-life of a radioactive substance is 10 days. If the initial mass of the substance is 100 grams, what will be its mass after 30 days? A. 12.5 grams. B. 25 grams. C. 37.5 grams. D. 50 grams. Correct answer. A. 12.5 grams. Solution. The remaining mass after a certain number of half-lives can be calculated using the formula. Remaining mass equals initial mass asterisk, 1/2, caret, elapsed time, half-life. Remaining mass equals 100 grams asterisk, 1/2, caret, 30 days, 10 days, approximately equals 100 grams asterisk, 1/2, cubed equals 12.5 grams. 78. Question. The refractive index of a material is 1.5. What is the speed of light in this material if it travels at a speed of 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second in a vacuum? A. 1 times 10 to the 8 meter per second. B. 1.5 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. C. 2 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. D. 4.5 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Answer. C. 2 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. Solution. The speed of light in a material can be calculated using the formula. Speed of light in material equals speed of light in vacuum, refractive index. Speed of light in material equals 3 times 10 to the 8 meters per second, 1.5 equals 2 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. 79. Question. A car travels a distance of 500 meters in 10 seconds. What is its average speed? A. 50 meters per second. B. 100 meters per second. C. 200 meters per second. D. 500 meters per second. Correct answer. A. 50 meters per second. Solution. Average speed is calculated using the formula. Average speed equals total distance, total time. Average speed equals 500 meters, 10s equals 50 meters per second. 80. Question. A force of 100 N is applied to an object, and it moves a distance of 5 meters in the direction of the force. How much work is done? A. 500 J. B. 100 J. C. 50 J. D. 20 J. Thus correct answer. A. 500 J. Solution. Work is calculated using the formula. Work equals force asterisk distance asterisk cosine theta. Since the force and displacement are in the same direction, the angle theta between them is 0 degrees. And the cosine of 0 degrees is 1. Work equals 100 N asterisk 5 meters asterisk 1 equals 500 J. General mental ability test. 81. In the following series, identify the pattern and complete the series. ACE. FGH. JKL. Underscore underscore underscore. A. NOP B. MNO. C. PQRD. LMN. The correct answer is C. PQR. Solution. The pattern is that each successive term has the next 3 consecutive letters. So the correct answer is C. PQR. 82. If 7 persons can complete a task in 32 days, how many days will it take for 3 persons to complete the same task? A. 56 B. 96. C. 42 D. 22. The answer is B. 96 days. Solution. We can use the concept of inverse proportionality here. The time taken is inversely proportional to the number of persons. Therefore, when the number of persons is reduced from 7 to 3, the time taken will increase in the same proportion. Hence, it will take 7/3 times the original time. So the answer is B. 96 days. 83. If memo is coded as LWLO, then how will heat be coded? A. GDYSB, GDYT. C. GDYSD, GSYT. The answer is A. GDYS. Solution. Each letter in the word is replaced with the letter that comes 2 positions earlier in the English alphabet. So the answer is A. GDYS. 84. Arrange the following words in alphabetical order. Pilot. Purple. Puddle. Prophet. A. Pilot. Prophet. Purple. Puddle. B. Pilot. Puddle. Purple. Prophet. C. Pilot. Purple. Prophet. Puddle. D. Pilot. Puddle. Prophet. Purple. The answer is A. Pilot. Prophet. Purple. Puddle. Solution. The correct alphabetical order is pilot. Prophet. Purple. Puddle. So the answer is A. Pilot. Prophet. Purple. Puddle. 85. A train travels at a speed of 60 km per hour for the first hour and 75 km per hour for the second hour. What is the average speed of the train for the entire journey? A. 67. 5 km per hour. B. 68 km per hour. C. 72 km per hour. D. 73 km per hour. The answer is A. 67. 5 km per hour. Solution. Average speed is calculated by dividing the total distance traveled by the total time taken. Here, the total distance traveled is 60 plus 75 equals 135 kilometers. And the total time taken is 2 hours. So the average speed is 135 halves equals 67. 5 kilometers per hour. Thus, the answer is A. 67. 5 kilometers per hour. 86. Identify the missing number in the series. 25. 10 17. Underscore underscore underscore. 37. A. 24 B. 26. C. 28 D. 30. Correct answer is B. 26. Solution. The pattern is adding consecutive odd numbers. 3 5. 7 9. And so on. Starting with 2. The series is 2 plus 3 equals 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 17 plus 9 equals 26. So the missing number is 26. Hence, the answer is B. 26. 87. If A equals 1, B equals 3, C equals 6, D equals 10, then A equals A. 15 B. 21, C. 28 D. 36. Correct answer is A. 15. Solution. The pattern here is that the numerical value assigned to each letter is the sum of the numerical values assigned to the previous letters. So A equals 10 plus 5 equals 15. Therefore, the answer is A. 15. 88. Find the odd one out. A. Mars. B. Venus. C. Neptune. D. Earth. Correct answer is D. Earth. Solution. All the options are planets, except Earth, which is not classified as a planet. So the answer is D, Earth. 89. What comes next in the series? 10 9. 17 14. 26 underscore underscore underscore. A 21 B 29. C 28 D 32. Correct answer is a 21. Solution. The pattern followed here is 10 to 9 equals 1. 9 plus 8 equals 17. 17 to 3 equals 14. 14 plus 12 equals 26. Therefore, the next element in the series would be 26 to 6 equals 20. Hence, the answer is a 21. 90. In a certain code language, MAKE is coded as 8512 and PARC is coded as 9647. What is the code for Mark? A 1564B 9546. C 1486D 4851. Correct answer is D 4851. Solution. Each letter is assigned a numerical value based on its position in the English alphabet. A equals 1. B equals 2. C equals 3. And so on. So, Mark would be coded as 8512. Hence, the answer is D 4851. Data interpretation. 91. Question. Study the following table and answer the question that follows. Table 1. Sales and expenses of XYZ company for the past 5 years. What is the percentage increase in expenses from 2016 to 2020? A 80%, B 100%, C 125%, D 150%. Correct answer is B 100%. Solution and explanation. The increase in expenses from 2016 to 2020 equals 150 to 75 equals 75. Percentage increase equals 75 75ths, asterisk 100 equals 100%. Correct answer. B 100%. 92. Question. Study the data sufficiency statements and answer whether the given data is sufficient to answer the question or not. Statement 1. The sum of two numbers is 20. Statement 2. The difference between the two numbers is 6. Are the statements, individually or together, sufficient to answer? A. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. B. Statement 2 alone is sufficient. C. Both statements together are sufficient. D. Neither statement alone is sufficient. Correct answer. C. Both statements together are sufficient. Solution and explanation. By rearranging the statements, we can find the value of the two numbers. X plus Y equals 20, statement 1. X, Y equals 6, statement 2. Solving the above two equations together, we get X equals 13 and Y equals 7. Hence, both statements together are sufficient. Correct answer. C. Both statements together are sufficient. 93. Question. Study the following table and answer the question that follows. Table 2. Average temperature, degree C, in 5 cities during the year. Which city had the highest average temperature during May? A, B, B. C, D, D. Correct answer. C. Solution and explanation. By analyzing the data, we can see that city C had the highest average temperature during May. Thus, correct answer is C. 94. Question. Study the data sufficiency statements and answer whether the given data is sufficient to answer the question or not. Statement 1. The product of two numbers is 25. Statement 2. The ratio between the two numbers is 5. 1. Are the statements, individually or together, sufficient to answer? A. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. B. Statement 2 alone is sufficient. C. Both statements together are sufficient. D. Neither statement alone is sufficient. Correct answer is C. Both statements together are sufficient. Solution and explanation. By rearranging the statements, we can find the value of the two numbers. X, Y equals 25, statement 1. X, Y equals 5 over 1, statement 2. Solving the above two equations, we get X equals 5 and Y equals 1. Hence, both statements together are sufficient. Correct answer. C. Both statements together are sufficient. 95. Question. Study the following table and answer the question that follows. Table 3. Number of students enrolled in different courses. Which course had the highest percentage increase in enrollment from year 1 to year 4? A. Engineering. B. Medicine. C. Law. D. Commerce. Correct answer is D. Commerce. Solution and explanation. To calculate the percentage increase, we use the formula. Percentage increase equals year 4 year 1 asterisk 100. Calculating the percentage increase for each course, we find that commerce had the highest. Correct answer. D. Commerce. 96. Question. Study the data sufficiency statements and answer whether the given data is sufficient to answer the question or not. Statement 1. The sum of two consecutive odd numbers is 24. Statement 2. The average of two consecutive even numbers is 16. Are the statements, individually or together, sufficient to answer? A. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. B. Statement 2 alone is sufficient. C. Both statements together are sufficient. D. Neither statement alone is sufficient. Right answer is D. Neither statement alone is sufficient. Solution and explanation. By analyzing the statements, we can infer that statement 1 refers to 11 and 13 as the consecutive odd numbers. Statement 2 refers to 15 and 17 as the consecutive even numbers. Hence, neither statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. Right answer is D. Neither statement alone is sufficient. 97. Question. Study the following table and answer the question that follows. Table 4. Number of books read by 3 students over the years. Which student had the highest percentage increase in the number of books read from year 1 to year 4? A, B, B. C, D, none. All had the same increase. Correct answer is C. Solution and explanation. To calculate the percentage increase, we use the formula. Percentage increase equals year 4 year 1 asterisk 100. Calculating the percentage increase for each student, we find that student C had the highest increase. Correct answer is C. 98. Question. Study the data sufficiency statements and answer whether the given data is sufficient to answer the question or not. Statement 1. The perimeter of a rectangle is 30 units. Statement 2. The area of the rectangle is 60 square units. Are the statements, individually or together, sufficient to answer? A. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. B. Statement 2 alone is sufficient. C. Both statements together are sufficient. D. Neither statement alone is sufficient. Correct answer is C. Both statements together are sufficient. Solution and explanation. By analyzing the statements, we can calculate the length and width of the rectangle. Statement 1. 2. Length plus width equals 30. Length plus width equals 15. Statement 2. Length x width equals 60. By solving the above two equations, we can find the values of length and width. Hence, both statements together are sufficient. Correct answer is C. Both statements together are sufficient. 99. Question. Study the following table and answer the question that follows. Table 5. Number of goals scored by 5 players in different matches. Which player had the highest average number of goals scored per match? A, B, B. C, D, D. Right answer is answer B, and C. Solution and explanation. To calculate the average, we sum up the goals scored by each player and divide by the total number of matches. Average goals per match for each player. Player A. 2 plus 1 plus 3 plus 0, 4 equals 1. 5. Player B. 4 plus 2 plus 1 plus 3, 4 equals 2. 5. Player C. 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4, 4 equals 2. 5. Player D. 3 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, 4 equals 1. 5. Player A. 0 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2, 4 equals 2. 25. Hence, player B and player C had the highest average number of goals scored per match. So right answer is answer B, and C. 100. Question. Study the data sufficiency statements and answer whether the given data is sufficient to answer the question or not. Statement 1. The sum of 3 consecutive numbers is 45. Statement 2. The average of 3 consecutive numbers is 16. Are the statements, individually or together, sufficient to answer? A. Statement 1 alone is sufficient. B. Statement 2 alone is sufficient. C. Both statements together are sufficient. D. Neither statement alone is sufficient. Right answer is D. Neither statement alone is sufficient. Solution and explanation. By analyzing the statements, we can infer that Statement 1 refers to 14. 15 and 16 as the consecutive numbers. Statement 2 refers to 15. 16 and 17 as the consecutive numbers. Hence, neither statement alone is sufficient to answer the question. So right answer is D. Neither statement alone is sufficient. I hope these selected MCQ questions provide you with a challenge and help you in your preparation for the upcoming civil services exam. Good luck.